10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You alright now? I think so. Okay. Maybe I'll try. Maybe I can get some guys out of it. Like Jamaican? Yes. So, what's happening here? I see all the drums and things, and the podium thing here. Let me show you my drum. The drum. Wow, that's a big drum. It must make a very big noise. Lots of noise. Wow. Listen to this. This is incredible. Would you mind if I grab a little rock and dance? Not at all. Wow. Let me test them out.
Say, I don't.
You have Jason Moroccan. Oh no, I think the aliens are coming. They are. All right, let me try this again. Try the other one. I think I need to recharge it. Hold on.
I love it.
Okay. Let's try this again.
Try the other one.
Oh yeah, the other one. Yeah.
It should give a higher pitch. A more rolling kind of sound.
You mean like those movies that we were watching, so that my teammates will come up and go and shut together?
Yes.
Oh, something like that.
It'll make it sound something like that.
Something like that.
I bet you it works this time.
Okay, let's try it. All charged up.
All ready to go.
My nice name bongo drum.
Alright, so this is the beat. Let me tune the drum.
Need some oil? Hold on, let me get some oil for you. Oh, this is a bit too much.
Let's try that again.
Alright.
So here's the beat.
Not very big drum. Just make a very big sound. Let me make it like a whoop sound. Let me try my drum. My small slim bongo drum. Oh yeah, it's upside down. Oh my God. Okay. Now this is my bongo drum.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom.
Let's see.
Boom.
Let's stay tuned.
Boom, 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 boom.
Here we go. I think I'm getting the hang of it now. Let's play another tune.
boom, 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 boom,